Good morning, my dear children. Warm welcome to you all in today's English CV class. Today, I am going to start a new chapter, chapter 6, and the name of the chapter is I Love My Baby. And it's written by Mira Oberoi. Every animals and mothers, they love their babies, right? So in this chapter, we are going to learn how do animal care for their babies. So when we were baby, we were looked after by our mother, right? As what we had to eat and when we should take rest, these all things, isn't it? So like human being, animals also take care of their babies. Maybe the way of caring children, maybe the way of caring their babies are different, but every animals and mothers, they care their babies, right? So let's start reading this chapter. At the same time, I will be explaining. Babies need their parents, especially their mothers, to look after them. Just as your parents looked after you when you were a baby, most animals too look after their young ones. Just now I told you that mothers and animals, they take care of their babies, and when we were babies, we were looked after by our mother. So like us, animals also, they look after their animals. Every animal has a different way of caring for its baby. The way of caring, uh, probably it's different, but every animal and the mothers, they care for their baby. Mama polar bear has her babies in an ice cave, and the cubs are reared in a nursery under the snow. So polar bear, where do they live? We know that the polar bear, they live in that polar region. That means in extremely cold weather. They are habituated with that weather. So mama polar bear has her babies in an ice cave, and the cubs are reared in a nursery under the snow. Reared in a nursery, that means cared for in a protected place. So the cubs are warm and snug in their home, though it is made of snow. Their polar bears, the mother, they keep their babies in ice cave, though the cubs are warm and the cubs are warm and snug in their home. Home means that ice cave, though it is made of snow, because they are habituated to live in that extreme cold weather, right? So that snug means it's comfortable and well protected from the weather or cold. So they are very much comfortable to live in that cave, though it is made of snow. When spring comes means spring means we know that it's pleasant weather, right? So when spring comes, Mama Bear digs through the snow that covers the mouth of the cave, and the cubs run out into the warm sunshine. So in the spring season, what happens? Mama bear, they clean the cover of the mouth, that is the cover means cover of snow. They cleaned it, and they help the cubs to come out of that cave into the warm sunshine to get the sunshine. Mama bear teaches them to swim and hunt. Mama bear, they teaches their babies how to swim and how to get their food. The cubs learn very quickly. What their mama teaches them, na, they learn very quickly. In a few months, they learn to catch fish and seals and to take care of themselves. So within few months, very soon, they learn. They adapt all these things, that how to catch fish, a seal, that means how to hunt their food, and how to take care, how to protect them from their enemies. They learn all these things. The armadillo is a strange little animal that looks like something out of a storybook. that armadillo, it's belongs to a mammal group. Okay, so it's a strange little animal. It wears a coat. It wears a coat made of hard but supple plates. Supple means not stiff, that we could make it, we could bend it easily. So it wears a coat made of hard. The coat made of hard covering, though it is hard covering, but it's we can easily bend it. Okay, the armadillo rolls up into a ball when in danger. Why this supple plates are easily we can bend, it's bending, because if any danger, that means when they get any dangerous thing for them, if they protect themselves from their enemy by rolling them into a ball. Mama armadillo gives birth to 4 babies at a time. At a time, 4 babies comes out. Mama armadillo takes very good care of them until their plates grow and become hard. When they are baby, that plates, it's easily movable. Mama they take care of them until it becomes hard. Then Mama takes them out of the burrow at night and teaches them to feed and roll themselves. Mama teach them how to feed and how to protect themselves from their enemies into their coat, so that no enemy can touch them. The armadillo in one hard round ball. The little armadillo learn to catch insect and to recognize the plants they can eat. Very soon they adapt these all things. They make themselves capable of recognizing the plants they can eat. So till this page, okay. Now you can see the homework is given. Circle this correct spelling. So which is the correct spelling you have to find out, and then the antonym means opposite word.